We often find that small businesses can take either one of two approaches when it comes to their looking after their internal ICT and telecoms. On one side, they like to do things themselves and have a DIY approach. On the other side, businesses can partner with a telecoms provider and partner like Techwell. Having over 5,000 customers nationally, we've come to understand the reasons why DIYing your telecoms and ICT isn't necessarily the best decision a business can make. There are a couple of key reasons why. The first reason falls under the resourcing and time area. Normally when businesses do DIY their telecoms themselves, they allocate these tasks to a staff member in-house who may also be needing to perform another role and also not necessarily have the expertise involved in this sort of thing. The second key reason or area why we see this fall down when small businesses DIY their own telecoms is that when making mistakes as far as ICT is concerned, these mistakes are extremely costly. Small businesses know they need to embrace technology to be competitive in today's market. A recent study found that 78% of small to medium-sized businesses across Australia know that they need to embrace innovation, and yet only 23% of those businesses have a plan on how they will get there. That's where Techwell come in. We will become part of your team as your full-service ICT and telecoms partner. So when it comes time to auditing your telecoms, we encourage you to think of it as an investment and not an expense. Techwell will always work with you to get you a return on that investment. We know that our solutions will increase your business efficiencies and improve your bottom line.